The Sasolburg municipality has a problem with overfull dumping sites. Together with Sasol, the municipality approached Elwin Pitt to assist in dealing with this problem and at the same time provide work and development opportunities for some of the local people. Elwin has been providing services to Sasol with regards to their biodegradable waste management for a while, and he is also passionate about providing people with opportunities to improve themselves. Let's see what happened.
The model on which this co-op is based on is basically getting them to become full entrepreneurs. We taught them how to recycle the waste and making it into a commercial venture. The model is implemented on the concept of the people being trained on how to do the recycling, how to then harvest the products, how to do quality control, how to run it as a business in its essence, and how to divide the dividends from that amongst the beneficiaries.
Re batho ba lesome go tswa sebakeng se bitswang Zamdela mona Sasolburg, then re la ga leka ho igroupa, then re leke hore na re etse mosebetsi onana, then ho tla thusa batho ba Zamdela ba hloka mosebetsi e ka tsena re kenyetse le batjha haholo, then le batho ba sa itekanelang. Then sepheo sa rona go hore then re ntse pele batjha sebakeng se kwana, then ke ka mo re qedileng project ena ga teng. Yona ke kgwebo e nang le tjhelete e go ditlo kenya tjhelete e ngata haholo hobane then ha ona ditshenyehelo kapa tsona ditjeo tse ngata tse tlo tswa ho rona. Rona ga lokela fela hore re etse profit ho tswa ho se tle be re se etsa. Ha ona letho e re tla lentsha pokotong tsa rona kapa hona ho reka. Re tlo sebedisa motjhini wa di-worms, then hona le ntate e re tlo mo rekisetsa manyolo ana e le ntate Pitt. Ke ena e leng yena moeteledipele wa rona e leng yena motho a tlo re etella pele.
To start an operation of this nature, the minimum that you would require is 100,000 rands, but it could go up to 3.5 million depending on the infrastructure that you put in. Like if you put in an automated harvesting machine, you put more conventional hydroponic tunnels in, then the cost escalates.
Een van die raadslede, Riatile, het ons kom kontak en gevra of ons enige afvalprodukte het, sy mis of enige pensmateriaal ensovoorts en hulle kan verskaf vir hierdie projek. Uit hierdie projek waar ons die mis en hulle verskaf hulle ons die komposgedeelte waarvan ons die kompos weer vat en dit word gebruik om op ons lande uit te strooi en sodoende die grondse voedingswaarde te verhoog. Ons sal graag by soortgelyke projekte ook wil betrokke wees oor die langtermyn. Ons wil graag wil sien dat hierdie projek 'n groot sukses is en ons sal graag lankal by wil betrokke wees.
What we have done as a municipality, we have made land and infrastructure available for our cooperative, which we also have assisted by registering the cooperative. And we also have given them the necessary training in this agricultural sector so that at the end of the day, this business that they have started must be sustainable and they must run with it for the next 5 years.
A whole range of products are being produced on the property. We start off with the vermicast, which is the pure earthworm excrement. That is the main product that is produced on there. However, there are a couple of byproducts that are also produced, namely potting soil, lawn dressing, as well as a liquid form of the vermicast, which could be used as a liquid fertilizer. They're also producing seedlings on the property for use in the tunnels because they grow their own vegetables, but the vegetables is basically for market purposes. They are sold to various restaurants and hotels in local town as well as in Johannesburg.
Firstly, we have already engaged the nursery to come and buy the product from them. But also as municipality, we are going to buy this product. But we want to make this project to be more bigger than this. We want to grow this product, this project, so that they can make a living out of this project. As municipality, we're encouraging our people to open cooperatives because that is the only way that you can see our people growing and working together. What we want is many people uniting themselves and forming cooperatives, and that thing will help us to alleviate poverty.
This project has a huge impact on issues of rural development and empowerment in areas that are very rural. It addresses the issue of unemployment. It addresses the issue of skills, because people can plant fruits and veggies and then they can sell them to the restaurants. And then at the end of the day, these people are having money to ensure that they can feed their families. Similar initiatives are considered by the municipality. We are having 3 towns that we are serving as part of our municipal area, which is Sasolburg, Zamdela, Dennisville, Rifenkotso, Oranieville, Metsimaholo. We're going to also consider this initiative in the other 2 towns, which is Dennisville and Oranieville. What we want to do is also to address the unemployment in that areas and also ensure they also enjoy the very same fruits that these people are enjoying in this area of Sasolburg.
This model can definitely be duplicated as long as you meet the necessary requirements, which are access to land, finances, access to raw materials, as well as willing beneficiaries who want to participate in the project. My advice to other communities or people who want to get involved in something like this is to do their research properly. There are various technologies out there that you can use to start a business of this nature. However, the cost implications vary. I would suggest that you do your homework properly and, if possible, visit other people who have done things of this nature.